I'm going to be giving a number of key points that I strongly believe will be useful to guide you on how you can merge your tech skills with your engineering profession. It's a saying that tech is the new oil, and I strongly support that. But I'm not supporting that because I think tech has so much money to provide or to give out. Supporting because tech and technology itself has been bringing so much value to many industries across the world. So, are you a young engineer who is looking out and asking how you can transition from being just a regular engineer to an engineer who is creative and innovative? Today, I'll be talking about how you can combine your tech skills with your engineering profession and career. And this is like the part two video of the video I recently uploaded here on LinkedIn and on my YouTube channel. You can go back and check it out. Number one key point: identify your strengths. So you need to assess your current tech skills for those that have learned certain tech skills, and for those that have not learned any tech skill. You need to identify certain areas in the tech space where you think you would excel, and some of these areas can be programming languages, learning programming languages, tech skills like data analysis, software development, web development, and any relevant tech skill. This way, if you can identify and understand which space in tech you can fit into and excel in, it's going to help you leverage the tech skills effectively. Number 2 point: research the industry. When I mean the industry, I don't mean just any industry. I'm talking about your industry, I'm talking about your profession, I'm talking about the construction industry in this case. You need to understand and explore different sectors of the industry where you feel and you know that technology plays a crucial role. And some of these sub industries could be robotics, automation, renewable energy, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things. These kind of industries often require a combination of technology and engineering. Number 3 point: you need to specialize in relevant areas. Once you've identified the intersection of engineering and technology that interests you, I think it's wise to consider specializing in that field. And this might involve you taking additional courses, pursuing certifications, and exploring practical experience through internships, possibly personal projects. Point 4: stay updated with emerging technologies. This is very, very important. The world is changing. Technology and engineering are two fields that evolve with time. There is always something new that comes up. So it is wise for you to upskill and learn whatever information that comes fresh into the industry. That way you can stay relevant. To follow through on latest advancements, you need to go online, join communities, join or follow blog posts, join professional bodies, join online communities that talks about the recent trends ongoing in the world and how the engineering industry, engineering profession is deploying these new trends. Point 5: seek out cross-disciplinary projects. Whenever you see opportunities where you can combine both technology and engineering, jump on it. Quickly jump on it, because that way you can actually improve your horizon. You can widen your horizon about how you would like to solve problems or how problems have been attacked via technology in the engineering space. Those kind of opportunities and projects and related projects will help you deploy your tech skills effectively while you're still gaining engineering experience. 2.6: build a portfolio. It's just like a CV and resume that is always requested by companies and anyone that wants to employ you. I really think it's very wise to keep a track record of all the engineering projects you have worked on where you deployed your tech skills. That way, once any opportunity comes, you can actually prove to future potential employers that you are able to take up certain roles where tech is being deployed in engineering. Point 7, network with professionals. So you need to attend industry events, join online communities, professional bodies, go for conferences online, possibly on site, where you can meet professionals that are already within the intersection of technology and engineering. So once you can network with such kind of professionals, you get information on how they are able to make it possible and the steps they took to build certain skill sets that they are currently deploying in what they do. That way, you to serve as a guide for you to pursue a career in engineering and tech. Point 8, pursue further education if necessary. And depending on your career goals, you might need to go for possibly a master's program that helps you intensify your knowledge of how you can deploy your tech skills in engineering. So there are many master's programs now all over the world where you can actually learn about emerging technologies and how they are being deployed in engineering. So this master's program will help you strengthen your core in this area. And finally, adapt and embrace continuous learning. See, engineering and technology are constantly evolving fields, so you have to be prepared to adapt and embrace continuous learning throughout your career. Stay curious, take on challenging projects, seek out opportunities, expand your skill set. That way, you are going to make yourself an island of so much knowledge. So now, you trying to marry technology, the tech skills, and engineering requires a very proactive approach. You have to be persistent, you have to be patient as well, or you have to continuously learn and keep deploying on projects. It's not an easy ride. From my experience, it took me over a year to build certain tech skills I believed would be important in engineering or in my engineering profession and career. And so for you, if you want to start out as an engineer who will be innovative and solving the problems within the engineering profession and construction industry in our country, Nigeria, or across the whole world, you need to be very persistent. You need to be very proactive about it. It looks impossible merging two different fields together. I can tell you, once you can solve problems that are specific to us within this industry, I think the sky will be the limit. I can tell you, the tech aspect of engineering in our country, Nigeria, is still very virgin, very vacant. So don't wait for anyone to push you. Don't wait for anyone to caress your back. You get. So try as much as possible to stand to the occasion. There are so many problems that will need to be solved, that needs to be solved by us. You get, and the industry is waiting for persons like you and myself to develop solutions that will benefit and fast track the way we do things in our industry. So with these few key points I've given you, I think I've been able to encourage you and push you to start this journey of merging tech with engineering. It's possible. I'll see you at the top.